In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a blog to public or private in ClickFunnels 2.0. Whether you're looking to open up your blog posts to the world or keep things a bit more exclusive, this guide will walk you through the steps to manage your blog's visibility settings with ease. So let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the settings just right for your intended audience. First things first, you'll want to log in to ClickFunnels 2.0. If you're not sure where to find the login page, just head over to the ClickFunnels homepage and you'll see the login option at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you should be taken straight into the ClickFunnels dashboard. Once logged in, you will see various options at your disposal. For this task, focus on the Sites section. Look for Blogs under this category. This is where you'll find all the blogs you've created or manage. Go ahead and click on Blogs to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Blogs section, find and open the specific blog you want to manage. It's essential to select the correct blog, especially if you handle multiple. This ensures that the settings you update apply exactly where you intend them to. After opening the blog, head over to the Settings tab. This is your hub for all configuration-related options for your blog. Within this section, look for the Visibility Access settings. This is where you decide who can and cannot view your content. Here you have two main options, public and private. If you choose public, your blog will be accessible to anyone. This is great if you want to share your insights with a broader audience or use your blog as a marketing tool to reach new readers. Do keep in mind, however, that by making it public, your content is open for anyone to see. So adjust accordingly if your content includes sensitive information. On the other hand, if you select private, your blog will only be available to approved users or members. This option is perfect if your blog contains exclusive content meant for a select audience, such as course material or premium content for your members. Ensure you have a system for granting access to your members before setting your blog to private. Once you've decided on the visibility setting that best suits your needs, click Save Changes. It's crucial not to forget this step because without saving, your changes won't take effect. Finally, with your settings accurately configured, publish or update your blog. This guarantees that your content and settings are applied consistently across all your active posts. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your blog's visibility settings in ClickFunnels 2.0. This simple adjustment can significantly impact how your audience interacts with your blog. Whether public or private, make sure your blog aligns with your goals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy blogging!